Welcome. In this video we'll show you how to use web filtering option in K7 Total Security. Access to various websites can be restricted using parental control. You can either allow particular site and block all sites, or you can block only particular site which would like to block. First, let me show you how to block particular sites. Open K7 and click on Settings and choose Parental Control. Now click on Web Filter and choose Website Blocked. Over here you need to add sites which you would like to block. For example, let me show you by blocking MSN and K7 website. Enter both URLs and close this window. Now click on Modify User Settings and choose Only Block Sites in the block list and click on OK. Now enable the user profile for which user this settings needs to apply. That's it. Now MSN and K7 website will get blocked in browser. Now let me show you how to allow only particular sites and block all other sites. Open K7 and click on Parental Control and remove all sites from block list and add only sites which you are going to use under allowed list. Only this sites will be opened. Other than this, all sites will get blocked. Once you entered the URLs, go to Modify User Settings and choose Only Allow Sites in the allowed list and click on OK. That's it. Further, only sites in the allowed list will get opened. Other than that, all other sites will be blocked. As you can see here, only allowed site will open, other than that every site will get blocked. Thank you for watching.